Looking for an unforgettable adventure on the water? Set out with North Myrtle Beach fishing charters. Experience thrilling deep-sea fishing action or enjoy the relaxed vibes of inshore fishing. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned angler, we've got something for everyone. Imagine the excitement of reeling in a big catch, maybe even a shark, with the ocean breeze on your face. Our friendly crew is here to make it a trip to remember. For your next fishing escapade, check us out. Visit us online today and plan your adventure.